DepEd Memorandum 20, Series 2024, Conduct of the Palarong Pambansa Competitions. The Department of Education, through the Palarong Pambansa Board and its Secretariat, shall conduct the 2024 Palarong Pambansa to be held from July 6 to 17 in Cebu City. The annual Scholastic Multisport Competition shall be hosted by the local government unit of Cebu City together with DepEd Region 7 and the Schools Division Office of Cebu City. The event shall be participated by the 17 DepEd Regional Athletic Associations and delegates from the National Academy of Sports, NAS, Filipino athletes enrolled in recognized school overseas shall also be allowed to participate under the banner of Philippine Schools Overseas. The recommended schedule of Palarong Pambansa meets are as follows. Division meet, 4th week of January 2024. Regional meet, April to May 2024. Palarong Pambansa or National meet, July 6 to 17, 2024. And for more educational videos such as this, Division Memo, DepEd Memo, DepEd Orders, consider subscribing to Jewels of China.